is Faris School, SK Taman Sentosa. This is Faris Classroom, Class 1 Brilliant. Great leader is a reader. Let's read.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Madam Shuhada.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Faris, what is under your desk?
Oh, it's a pencil, Madam Shuhada.
Oh, it's a pencil. Anyone lost a pencil? Whose pencil is this? Anyone?
No.
It's not mine, too.
No one admitted.
By the way, this is based on a true story.
Is it your pencil, Faris?
No, it's not mine.
Is it your pencil, Hannah?
No, it isn't.
Faris and his classmates have to look for and collect any other pencil, rubber, ruler, and sharpener under their desk.
How about this? Whose rubber is it? Anyone lost a rubber?
No, it's not mine. I have my own rubber.
Ahmad, do you lost a rubber?
My rubber is red, not blue.
No.
What should Faris and his classmates do with the pencil and rubber? They don't know the owner.
Looks like no one owns this rubber and this pencil. Therefore, I will put these items in the lost and found box.
Lost and found box.
Now our class is clean. No more pencils or rubbers under your desk. So, we can proceed to our lesson of today. I will read a story for you. Then, you will follow me reading. The story that I'm going to tell you, entitled, Is It Your Pen? Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's get started. Lend me your ears and repeat after me.
Focus. Listen. Read. Is it your pen? Is this your pen? I mean, no, it isn't my pen. Is it yours, Ethan? No, it isn't mine. Is it your pen, Jane? Yes, it is. Here you are. Thank you. Oh, sorry. It isn't my pen. My pen is purple. This pen is blue. Then whose pen is this? Is it your pen? The end. From the story, we know that nobody claimed it was their pen. Keep it in the lost and found box. Not to worry, because classrooms from other countries too have lost and found boxes. However, I do want you to take good care of your belongings. Let's do an activity. Label your name on your pencil, rubber, ruler, sharpener, scissors, and glue. There are two ways to label your belongings. Number one, you may use a black permanent marker pen. Write your name on your belongings. Or you may use a pencil, a paper, and a tip. Not to forget the scissors. Write your name on a piece of paper, cut it small, tape it onto your belongings. Snap a photo of your stationeries with your name written on them. Send the photo to your teacher. Alhamdulillah, thank you to everyone who had watched this video. Don't forget to like and share